internet is a good thing and all, but it is a good thing for those people who are able to understand, who are able to write, read, and able to understand the data which is therein. How you are going to help those children who are not able to even understand one or two lines?
Can I ask you a counter question? How are you going to help them?
As a citizen, if I can give my 2 hours, 3 hours.
No, not as a citizen, as a young Indian. How are you going to help them?
Actually, please answer my question first, then I will answer you.
Try. How would you help them?
Actually, my question, if I had any answer, then I would have not asked you this question.
No, but give it a try. Give it a try.
Let me think it needs. Actually, I thought a lot, but I thought that I don't have answer, so I should ask Mr. Gandhi.
I think I've traveled quite a lot in villages. And I've seen many 8-year-old children. I think the discussion we're having here is how do you allow kids in villages access? There are two ways of looking at access. One way of looking at it is incremental. I'll go back to, Sam is sitting here. So I'll go back to Sam. They could have looked at telephones and said, we want to provide access to every Indian over telephone, and thought about it in a linear fashion. They would have never got there. They'd be sitting here right now, still figuring out how to get phones to Indians if they thought about it in a linear way. You can also think about it in an exponential way. What they essentially did was they came out with something called a rural exchange. And you must have all seen the PCO. You've seen a PCO? And that humble PCO that today looks, ancient, is actually what gave you the cell phone in your hand. Because it suddenly opened up the system to millions of people. And it didn't do so in a linear way, it did so incrementally.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
प्रधानमंत्री जी बाहर नहीं जाते हैं, नहीं बाहर जाते हैं मतलब अब्रॉड जाते हैं, ओबामा जी के पास, ट्रंप जी के पास जाते हैं, मगर अपना जो सिक्योरिटी कवर है, अपना जो सिक्योरिटी कवर है उससे बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं। पूरे देश ने अभी देखा है, मैंने प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में साफ साफ बोला है और प्रधानमंत्री अपनी आंख मेरे आंख में नहीं डाल सकते हैं। ये सच्चाई है। कभी उधर देख रहे थे, कभी उधर देख रहे थे, मगर सच्चाई है। चलिए
Even though the BJP has come to power, I don't see a strategy. I don't see a clear direction. I see a lot of talk. I hear talk about clean your country. I mean, are we serious? Clean your country is a strategic national government program. Well, it's not working, is it? I don't see it working. You see it working? Okay. I don't see Swachh Bharat working very well. Huh? What?
Well, I think they're agreeing that it's working.
You think it's working?
Okay, the house is divided.
Yes, it's working. Okay. No.
Let's have a raise of hands.
Okay, let's ask another question. Do you think Make in India is working? Do you think so?
No.
You think youngsters in India are getting jobs? So, Swachh Bharat isn't working, Make in India isn't working, Connect India isn't working, so I don't... Anyway,
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
Speaker, madam. When, sorry. Chairman, sir. प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ खड़े होते हैं, कहते हैं नारेगा जैसी बेकार योजना मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. नारेगा, मनरेगा, महात्मा गांधी योजना. कल मैंने आंख बंद करी, मैं सोच रहा था चिदम्बरम जी हैं. अच्छी बात बोली, आपको अच्छी लगी तो ऐसे थोड़ा मार दीजिए हाथ, आप थोड़ा सा मार दीजिए, एक बार मार दीजिए. क्यों कष्ट हो रहा है आपको? अगर अच्छी लगी मार दीजिए. मेक इन इंडिया का बब्बर शेर तैयार किया, काले रंग का बब्बर शेर, उसके अंदर देखो तो घड़ी जैसा चलता है वो. जहां देखो, इंटरनेट में देखो बब्बर शेर, टीवी में देखो बब्बर शेर, मोदी जी का भाषण सुनो बब्बर शेर, स्टेज जल जाता है बब्बर शेर. पहले पेट्रोल $130 प्रति बैरल हुआ करता था, आज $35 प्रति बैरल है. $35, सॉरी, गलती कर दी, सही बात है. परसों मैं भाषण सुन रहा था और मैं ऐसे हिला. अरुण जेटली ने यहां खुले हाउस में कहा कि भैया मोदी जी की फेयर एंड लवली योजना आई है. अरे बोलने दो भाई, बोलने दो. हमारे समय आ गए. नमस्कार. सुन के आए. आपने सुना नहीं. फेयर एंड लवली योजना के बारे में मैंने बोला, पूछ लेना आप इनसे. मोदी जी ने वायदा किया था कि इकोनॉमी बिल्कुल डाउन जा रही है. भैया मैं आरएसएस का नहीं हूं, मैं गलतियां करता हूं. मैं आरएसएस में आपका नहीं हूं, मैं सब कुछ जानता नहीं हूं, सब कुछ समझता नहीं हूं.
Don't make me Prime Minister, he says. Make me the chokidar. Don't make me Prime Minister, he says. Make me the chokidar.
He says, അദ്ദേഹം പറയുന്നു,
He took the vote from the people of India and became the chokidar of Mr. Anil Ambani. He took the vote from the people of India. 30,000 crore rupees given to Mr. Anil Ambani. Then what do we do? 30,000 crores given to Mr. Anil Ambani.
30,000 കോടി അനിൽ അംബാനിക്ക് അദ്ദേഹം ദാനമായി നൽകി.
He's never made an aircraft in his life. He has never made an aircraft in his entire life. He has never made an aircraft in his life.
ഓക്കെ, അദ്ദേഹം ഈ അനിൽ അംബാനി ഒരു എയർക്രാഫ്റ്റ് പോലും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഫാക്ടറിയിലോ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കീഴിലോ ഇന്ന് വരെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടില്ല.
But he's given the world's biggest defense contract.
എന്നാൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഒരു
Narendra Modi gave 35,000 crores to Nirav Modi, 35,000 crores to Mehul Choksi, 45,000 crores of debt to Mr. Anil Ambani, Vijay Mallya, Lalit Modi. These are the people where this money is going to come from. Every month we will put 72,000 rupees into 5 crore bank accounts.
ഓരോ മാസവും നമ്മൾ 72,000 കോടി രൂപ വീതം
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm After the passing the C certificate in NCC, so what you want to give a facilities, sir, or benefits to us? NCC cadets, sir.
What benefits do I want to give you?
हाँ sir. After passing the C certificate examination, what would you
I
like
don't,
to-
I mean, I don't know the details of NCC training and that type of stuff. So I won't be able to answer that question. Don't know the details of NCC training and that type of stuff. So I won't be able to answer that question. But as a young Indian person, I would like to give you an opportunity where you can have a future, where you can have successful education, and where you can thrive in this country. The details of the NCC, I don't know exactly the training and what you go through.